So this is looking out the porch window, north side of the house. We have about 18 inches on the ground. I don't know if I can zoom in here. See the birdies. Oh yeah. You can also see the snow that's still falling. So this is from inside the glass storm door. That's why all the spots are on the window. I just went out and reshoveled this path that Brian had shoveled about, I don't know, an hour ago. There was probably 2 inches of snow there. So Rosie would go out and go to the bathroom. I start all my sentences with so. I'll have to change that. This is out our bedroom window, back to the pond. There's Brian's truck almost buried. I know this is going to be the world's most boring video, but keep you guys posted on what's going on.